All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the text and then how to make it longer as part of your clip or make it shorter. So let's jump right in. You drag your clip into the timeline, click the double squares here, slide all this paste stuff to the side and get to the actual text, and let's bring that in. So for the sake of the tutorial, let's just do unite, and that'll just open up the text. And then what you want to do is you want to tap to edit. So let's tap on the editing thing, and here you can size it to the size you need, and then let's just tap to edit. And I want to show you something here. So let's add our own thing. So let's go to tutorial for text. And while we're here, let me show you something else. You can also hit this little arrow on the bottom, and it can drop your text to the bottom, which is nice. Or you can just go back and keep it straight. So now we click on the check mark. All right, so here's exactly what you need to do. So if you want to make it longer, so it goes through your entire clip, the text, you just want to tap and hold the end of the text clip, and then drag it out all the way to the end. And then now your text will be all over your clip. You see how that is? So there you go. That's exactly how you tap and slide, and you can make it shorter. And then that's how you do the length of the text. Now, I'm not going to get into this entire thing here because I already got some tutorials, and please go check that out right now. If you haven't checked that out, I show you exactly how to add fonts and change the color and all that good stuff on a previous video. Now, they did change this a little bit, so let me show you how you shorten it. So you can shorten it by bringing it here and bringing it here. So you can grab this text slide from the left or from the right, and then now that you have it on your timeline, if you play it, it's only going to start for that amount and then disappear. But if you want it to go longer, you're going to click it on either side and expand it, and now it's going to go the entire length. Let's play it. You're going to go the entire length of your video. All right, guys, let me know if you found this useful. This is PowerDirector, and it's been updated, so this is for 2020. If you need any more help, please let me know. Oh, here's a bonus. If you stick around, check this out. I want to give you a bonus. So when you are in your text editing interface, which is down here at the bottom, if you tap on this bottom right hand one with the arrows and you highlight it, let's highlight that. Let's go back. I want to show you something. You can spin your text. You can tilt it. So you see how that goes? You can tilt it from the bottom to the top. You see how that moves? If you wanted some text like that, let's look at what that looks like, because some people might want to tilt it for your videos. You never know. So this is exactly, it's a little bonus for you guys. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know in the comments. Tell me how you found this. How were you searching for it? And let me know if this is useful to you. I'm always happy to show you anything you want as far as text or anything regarding editing and changing the clips. I urge you to go check out the playlist. Go see it and see if there's any more helpful tutorials. And by the way, let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on something that you might be struggling with, like a special effect, and then I'll be happy to help you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.